Hello, in this video we will discuss about the manager and data pump component of Oracle Golden Gate, and I am Kamran Hussain. Now let's start. These two components we will discuss in this video. First one is manager. So manager should be run on the both target and source database, and the data pump database should be run on the source database. So let's discuss each component one by one. And one of the main component of Golden Gate is the manager. So the term manager process refer to the component responsible for managing the overall operation of Golden Gate environment. So it is a parent process of Golden Gate is responsible for management of its processes, resources, user interface, and the reporting of threshold and the errors. So it should be in running state before starting the extract and replicate process on the both side. And the manager must be remain running while those processes are running so that the resource management functions are performed. So, if I summarize, the manager process in the Oracle Golden Gate act as a central control and monitoring point, ensuring the smooth and reliable operation of data replication and integration tasks across the heterogeneous IT environment. And it's control the overall components of Golden Gate. So let's discuss about the data pump. Basically, data pump is a secondary extract group within our source Oracle Golden Gate configuration. So it read the data from the trail files and send the data operation over the network to the remote trail file of the target system. And if data pump is not used, so extract must send the captured data operation to the remote trail on the target system. So it's reduce the workload on the extract process. So extract process is just write the data in the trail files, and data pump just read the trail file and send data to the our target system. There are some benefits. We can synchronize one source with the multiple targets as well. So we can configure uh, multiple data pump on our source system to facilitate the multiple target. If our one our target failed, so it will not impact on our other data pumps. And second one is protection against the network and target failure. So due to some reason our target got failed, so extract process continuously read the data and write this data in the our trail files. So when our target system up, so data pump process will read this trail file and send this data to our target system. So these are two major components of Oracle Golden Gates.